Joanne Ash.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning, Joanne.
Good morning. I said good morning. Listen, you know what? I have a problem because I get here. I'm here. I get here and I got 5 issues here that I never knew about. I only knew about this one.
You have 3 parking tickets at the same location, Allens Avenue and Terminal Street.
Three
Allen's-
parking tickets?
No, 3 violations.
Oh, okay.
3 red light violations on Allens Avenue and Terminal.
We're here in the Providence Municipal Court with Joanne, and she's about to have a very eye-opening day. She's here for a single parking ticket she knew about, but the judge reveals he has a shocking surprise for her. 4 more violations she knew nothing about. 3 of them are red light camera tickets at the same exact intersection. But before the judge can even show her the evidence, Joanne makes a bold and very unusual statement. She cuts him off and says, "No, I don't need to look at it. They were guilty." Talk about owning your mistakes.
Street. We're going to look at the...
No, I don't need to look at it because
But-
everybody else you looked at, they was guilty, so I don't want to see it.
Well-
I wouldn't finish it straight. I don't want to see that shit. I'll take your plea. No. I'm wasting your time. I'm not even going to bother. I'm serious.
All right. Miss Ash, I'm trying to help you, so we're going to look at Allens Avenue and Terminal Street.
I don't want to see that.
Well, you're going to see it. All right, Lisa, let's look at 716, please. Yellow. Was she past the line?
She was close, Your Honor. She was about right at the line.
Okay.
It was at 1.1, 1.2.
Yeah, let's see 146, please. Stop it. All right. Joanne,
Yes. Yes, sir.
the reason I wanted to see this is because you notice there are 2 stop lines. There's 1
Yes.
and there's 2, okay? And then there's another light up a little past that.
Yes.
So there's a great deal of confusion at this location. And so I have taken the position that if you are past the first stop line when the light turns red,
Yes.
that I'll dismiss it. So far, in both of these cases that I just looked at, you were past the first stop line. So these 2 are going to get dismissed, and we're going to look at the 3rd one now.
Okay.
You still don't want to see it?
No, I want to see them all now.
Despite Joanne's confession, the judge insists on looking at the videos, and his reasoning is incredible. He points out a detail that Joanne would never have seen. The intersection has 2 confusing stop lines. Because of this, he has a policy of dismissing any ticket where the driver was already past the first stop line when the light turned red. The judge, in an amazing act of leniency, dismisses 2 of her 3 tickets right then and there. It's an important lesson in not just accepting guilt and trusting that the law is not always what it seems.
Now I want to see everybody.
You want to see everything, right? All right.
I was just trying not to take up time.
All right, let's look at 636, please. The light is red. Oh, you went right through this one.
With 2 tickets already dismissed, the judge moves on to the 3rd one. He asks Joanne again if she wants to see the footage. This time, she's a little more hesitant, but still insists she's guilty. The judge shows her the video, and the light is clearly red well before she even enters the intersection. Joanne's confident admission of guilt, despite the judge's clear leniency, is almost comedic. It seems some habits are hard to break.
I did? Okay. Now I agree with you. I don't care, but as long as I just get it out.
Speak into the mic, please.
Yeah.
Okay, see?
You're a smart man. I guess that's why you sitting up there.
Well, I won't go that far. I wouldn't go that far. Maybe I just got a little lucky.
Yeah.
All right, Joanne, after looking at the violations, the court's going to charge you $170.
170?
$170.
That's a lot of money.
After looking at the 3rd violation, the judge doesn't have a choice. He confirms her guilt and fines her a total of $170 for the 3rd ticket. But wait, what was that? Did he just dismiss 2 tickets and then immediately make her pay for the 3rd one? It's a very interesting way of doing justice, a mix of leniency and firm enforcement.
Okay. Okay.
You need time to pay it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, how much time do you need?
I don't know. Give me a month.
All right, can you pay any of that today?
No. I didn't plan to pay anything today. I didn't have it to pay.
All right, what I'm going to do is, since I'm looking at these, I'm going to look at all of them. Lisa, let's look at 535, please. This is Pleasant Valley Parkway and Valley Street. 0.3 of a second. Okay, let's look at 020. This is the same location.
Same location.
And that's 0.5 of a second. Okay. On the 0.3 of a second, I'm going to give you a break on it. It's 1/10 of a second more than you're entitled.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a break on that. So this is going to be reduced by $85. So it's going to cost you $85.
Joanne asks for a month to pay the fine, and the judge agrees. But he has another surprise for her. He starts looking at her other 2 tickets for the same location. He notes that one was for just 0.3 of a second, and another was for 0.5 of a second. The judge says that since it was just a fraction of a second over what he would normally forgive, he's going to reduce her fine by half. He cuts her $170 fine down to just $85. He's not only lenient, but generous.
$5.
Okay, I'll pay that. Give me a week and I'll pay that.
I'm going to give you a month.
Oh, okay. But I'll pay
Now, I'm going to
it.
ask you again. When you first came here, I said, you want to see them? You said, I don't want to see anything. I'm guilty. I'm guilty. I don't want to look at anything.
Because I didn't want to take up time. I wanted to get out of here.
I'm going to ask you again. Do you want to see them?
Yes, from now on, I would want to see them.
You want to see everything?
Thank you.
All right.
I appreciate it.
After all the tickets are handled, the judge asks Joanne again if she wants to see the videos of her violations. This time, her answer is very different. She says yes. From now on out, we want to see them. The difference in her attitude from the beginning of the hearing is astonishing. She came in with the mindset of I'm guilty, and left with the newfound appreciation for the justice system and the importance of looking at all the evidence.